Good morning, grade ones. It's Friday morning. You've done a great job this week going through all of your math, and we're going to continue today. And we're going to continue talking about equal groups. And do you remember the new sign that we've learned? We've learned that X means to multiply, right? And we use that only when we're talking about equal groups. So that means the same number in each group. So if I write 3 times 4 equals, now I don't know, so I'm going to put a question mark here. I would like you to think about, how would I draw this? How could I draw a picture to go with 3 times 4? Well, 3 is going to tell me the number of groups. So I'm going to draw 3 circles. Okay, and 4 is going to tell me how many go in each group. So I'm going to do dots. So there are 4 dots in each of the groups. So this is a picture of what 3 times 4 looks like. There's 3 groups. So I make 3 groups as the first number. The next number is 4, and that tells me how many are in each group. Okay? And that is exactly what you are going to do today in your workbook. So for exercise 34, it is 1 page today, is I've put the multiplication sentence at the top, and you're going to draw it. So the first one says draw fish to show 2 times 3. So let's talk about this first one. The first number is 2, so that tells me how many groups. So draw 2 fish bowls. And then the next number, 3, tells me how many fish I'm going to put in each bowl. Okay? And then the answer is 6. So that means at the end of my drawings, I should have 6 fish. But we want to remember, when we're multiplying, it means equal groups. So the same number should be in each of your groups. Okay? And don't worry if your drawings are perfect. I just want you to draw the best fish that you can. And you're going to go through and you're going to do that for each one. Okay? So remember, the first number tells me how many groups there are. So draw that many circles or that many boxes. Imagine the animal, or maybe a flower would be a garden, or an apple, it could be a tree. You could draw the number of trees. And then the next number tells you how many are in that group, or how many apples are on that tree, or how many flowers are in that garden. And you fill it in to show what 3 multiplied by 4, or 3 times 4 looks like on a picture. Okay? So for today, you're going to complete exercise 34, and I hope you've also been writing your numbers, 1 list each week, or each day, and getting practice on writing those numbers out. And you have done a terrific job, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week.